The problem, they say, is that Chavit Singson and Atong Ang are both key witnesses in the impeachment process when it reaches the Senate.
Ibig sabihin ng Korte Suprema, pwedeng magpatuloy ang Senate Blue Ribbon Committee, pero tungkol lamang sa investigasyon kung pwede nating illegalize ang wetting o dapat natin i-privatize ang wetting. Hindi sinabi ng Korte Suprema na maaari kaming magpatuloy ng aming investigasyon maski nakakapasok na kami doon sa mga impeachment charges.
Santiago indicated today she will push for inhibiting all senators who have already questioned Governor Singson and Ang since they prejudiced their roles as judges in the impeachment proceedings.
That case will probably come to us, and in effect, therefore, we would be replaying our proceedings. And therefore, the charge of prejudging would become valid at that point. Kaya sana'y kusa na lang kaming maghinto.
That is their view, but I have a different view. Binasa ko rin yung Supreme Court decision, and I thought that